was fun.
You can't do the
Welcome once again
at the same time. Oh.
to Shoe Fly TV once again. Today, special unboxing, fresh from Nike. Now notice, normal box.
Normal.
Remember the LeBron Ashes review?
That box was big as fuck.
Bruh.
For one box of shoes.
Like, open about Canada. Like, damn, it's Canada.
Did you at least have some like stuffing?
Nothing. No, I'm lying. They did put hella styrofoam.
They made sure them LeBrons wasn't gonna get
At all.
Not trying to fuck this box up.
Shit was packed in there like, yeah, black. Look, it was packed in there. But special from Nike. We're going to go ahead and get into it.
Shout out Sneakers.
Sneakers app.
Sneakers.
Because you do come through. You don't always come through.
I rated you 5 stars.
But you do come through.
I got you 5 too. I got you 5 too. But you don't always come through.
Yeah.
I'm never lying.
Except for that one.
That off-white, yeah. Y'all played us with the...
Other than that, y'all got my shit.
Y'all didn't do us right then, but still.
So,
popping.
what do you see?
Gunshots.
That was loud.
It was loud. Pop.
Brought back flashback.
It'd be like, nah, for real, dude. It'd be like that in the hood sometimes, though.
It'd be like that.
Dude.
Just gonna throw the nigga box
So,
like that, though, bro.
did you want that? I did.
If it ain't his shoe, he
That
ain't worried
was
about it.
super
Fuck
disrespectful.
that.
Is that cool?
I ain't gonna wear the box.
That's why, yeah. I apologize though, cause I did just
You should be.
So
Yes.
y'all see what this is?
Another MJ special.
This is that 5-6 box, but it ain't no 5s, so 6s. So what do we have here? Tissue paper. What's this? Ooh! I pass one to you.
Them is icy.
I pass one to you.
You check these up close.
So let's go ahead and read the block.
The blocks. I caught that, bro.
Yeah, I know. I can't mess up because if I do, he's gonna catch it. Black University Blue Air Jordan 6 Retro. Retailing at $190. Up close and personal. I'm gonna tell you right now, buy this sneaker. Wet, clean. I was expecting it to be clean, but damn, this is a nice sneaker.
I could have sworn you was gonna cop these.
Cause why? Cause
I ain't gonna lie. T right here.
Yeah,
He told me to get a pair.
I did not.
On the Gatorade 6s.
These
He gonna get them Gatorade 6s.
These
Trust
are sick.
I'm
So we start off all black upper. We got the Jordan with the air on the back of it. We got the black tab on the back with the University Blue accent. You got your University Blue tab right there.
Yeah.
University Blue Jumpman on the tongue. You got your black midsole with the University Blue accents right there. Translucent outsole with the University Blue Jumpman on the bottom right here.
I looked the bottom. I was at the bottom.
Dead stock, fresh from Nike.
Fresh.
Dude,
We're gonna let y'all see that real quick.
these is too clean. I'm not gonna lie.
Did you mention the gray on that?
Is it gray on the inside?
It's like a charcoal kind of, yes.
It is. Actually,
That's
it is.
nice.
So on the inside, it's not black, it's like a charcoal gray
Suede though.
on the
Suede?
inside.
That's just kind of.
No, it's just kind of, it's just that 100%.
I should cop a North Carolina jersey with this.
You should.
Yeah.
You should.
You know they got the Cleveland the Cavaliers. You know what I'm talking about?
Oh,
the throwback.
No,
the throwback.
No, straight up, you would be beating their ass if you copped one of
just
them.
gave us
No,
some
for real.
ideas.
No, seriously.
Now
When
you
Darius
want
Miles
that.
played for him,
Yeah, you know what I'm talking about that throwback.
it's all black with the navy blue. You do got the
I got the white one.
You wear that with that.
It's probably like a 3X though, or 2X.
XL.
Only XL?
You can still
You can have it if you
We're
want.
gonna talk later.
Yeah,
we'll talk later.
Do something. Yeah.
These, black T-shirt,
They wet.
baby blue, but
Nice those.
oh man, This is a really, really nice
I like
sneaker.
those.
This is a nice
I ain't gonna lie, I
sneaker.
slept on those.
And I did too.
Them is nice.
I did too. And I honestly wish that I didn't
Yeah,
after
you brought
seeing
them bad
them.
boys out.
Because,
'Cause
man,
in person,
and good point. They look way better in person. As far as online, the sneakers app, like, it does not do them justice. These things look so good in person. This is a really, really, really nice sneaker. I'm not gonna lie. And the material, man. Make sure you wear the protectors.
Gotcha.
Because don't spray them too much though.
What do you suggest? Don't spray cleaner, right?
don't do too much.
So I'm gonna tell you a quick story.